Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another cocktail night for us, guys. Can't wait to bring you this. Another one of my favorite cocktails is the Manhattan cocktail. I'm making this with a rye whiskey. You can make it with bourbon. I've seen it made with brandy. We're going with rye tonight, and I'm going to show you how I do this. Let's get going. For starters, I want to show you my glass here. This is a standard martini glass. If you're in a restaurant, they'll typically ask you if you want a Manhattan on the rocks or if you want it up. And if you're in a fancy place, most of the time you're gonna go with it up. But I got some ice in this glass. The sole purpose of this is just to chill the glass. We're not gonna mix a drink in it. So come in here with our mixing glass. And I'm just gonna do 2 or 3 drops of Angostura bitters. You don't have to. I like to have a little cherry syrup in mine, just a little, just to enhance that flavor a little bit. Maybe a 1/4 spoon. This is 2 ounces of your Russell's Reserve or rye whiskey of your choice. Guys, this is 1 ounce of the Martini and Rossi. It doesn't matter, just a sweet vermouth. Don't be confused with dry vermouth. It makes a big difference. Just 1 ounce of that right in there. Now we're just gonna get some ice in the glass. And give this a good chill. You don't want to shake the Manhattan. That sweet vermouth will get real frothy and make your drink real ugly looking. So you just want to stir it until it's good and diluted, good and chilled. Okay, we've emptied our glass. Now we're just going to cover it and strain straight into our cocktail glass. And garnish with 1 cherry right in the center. Folks, the Manhattan cocktail. Cheers to you folks. Got a drinking problem. That is so good. There's a reason why I love the Manhattan, guys. That is a perfect blend of sweet vermouth, rye whiskey. I'll be honest with you, I make this with bourbon from time to time. The Manhattan, I prefer it with the rye whiskey. It's not as sweet, and it's just the right blend in my opinion. Give this a try, guys, and let me know, have you tried the Manhattan cocktail? Do you like the Manhattan? And let me know what you think of these videos, guys. I'm really enjoying making these, and I'm proud to have the cocktails back in the mix. And we're gonna move forward with that as we can get them in, because this is a lot of work. So guys, thank you as always. Hit that like button, it helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And hit that bell notification to let you know every time we post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye-bye. Going back in for this. Tell you what, that's good.